We are pleased to show you the 2013 FX37. The FX37 from Infiniti is a mid-sized luxury crossover SUV. By combining the robust lower body of a traditional SUV with the more appealing curved and elegant upper body of a sports car, the designers also sought to combine the handling of the two into one luxury vehicle. Coming standard with the Bose sound system, the Infiniti FX37 is built to carry you in comfort and style, but make sure you get where you want to. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, leather-wrapped steering wheel, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, side airbag system, child safety rear door locks, fog lights, side airbag, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.